So the time is 5:30. We've dragged the kids out of bed early again, and we're going to a waterfall called
Tumpak Sewu.
Tumpak Sewu. Got up early, so hopefully we'll be, well, I'm pretty sure we'll be the first ones down there, and this is a good start to it. Look at this view.
Whoa. Oh my god! Oh my.
Wow. Hello semuanya, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the beautiful East Java, Indonesia, and I'm super excited because we're about to hike one of the most breathtaking spots I've ever seen, Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. So we actually started off on the wrong trail, on the wrong side of the canyon, and this trail got pretty scary. We'll show you later why, and exactly why we had to turn around. Keep watching. What did you say? Alright, give me a chance. I'm old. Remember? Tumpak Sewu literally translates to 1,000 waterfalls, and here you can see why. The sheer scale of this place is incredible. Nestled in the Lumajang Regency, the hike itself isn't too long, but it's definitely challenging. We'll be descending into a steep canyon, navigating through jungle, and crossing some pretty slippery rocks, so make sure you've got good shoes on and plenty of water. This is what we've got to climb down next. Wow, that looks dodge. Let's go. Now, let me just pause the music for a second. Just listen to this. Do you hear that? The power of water crashing down. It's loud, but somehow calming. Moments like this remind me of why I love being out here. Just the raw beauty of nature. Now, let me show you a few clips of why we decided to turn back. I mean, look how steep this ladder is. And the lower down we got, the wetter these steps got, and the slippery they got. The mist from the waterfall just was filling the air. I mean, it was just too dangerous for us to keep going. But we still had time to appreciate what an incredible view this was.
Just having a minute. These stairs just pulled me off.
So we've been defeated. We didn't make it all the way down. We got to a point where we were like, nah. With the kids. If it was just us two, then yeah. But with the kids, it's too dangerous. For that, we can't do that. We've got to turn back. So we've just come to another waterfall, but you can get to the waterfall that we were just at. But instead of on the toughest, sketchiest trail, you can literally just walk down this. Well done, Towels. So now we did get up at, well, 5:30 to get going for like 5:30, 6 o'clock to make sure we're the first ones down there. Now it's 8:30 and we're just going down. And it's easy compared. Although I said this trail was easier, it's still a really enjoyable trail that most people will be able to complete, but it still has its challenges. Here you can see us hiking down an actual waterfall, and Rudy absolutely loved it. So did we.
Keep going.
We're nearly done it, Roo. Yes, we finally made it down to the bottom, and it only took us 4 hours. Now, the real fun can start. Down at the bottom of the canyon, the landscape completely changes. It's wet, it's muddy, and there's this thick mist in the air. But wow, is it beautiful. Crossing the stream here is one of the last obstacles before we reach the waterfall. Now, the sound of running water is almost deafening.
What up, mate? Way! That was so good, dude.
The anticipation is building, and we can't wait to see what's just around this corner.
Well done, mate. Keep going.
But then, boom, we turn the corner, and there it is, Tumpak Sewu. The first thing that hits you is just how massive this place is. You don't really get the full scale on the video. Standing there, you feel so small in comparison. And then, the sound. It's just this constant roaring thunder. It's like the whole canyon is alive. Couldn't resist taking Dusty in, so she could get a real feel for it. Let's just say she didn't hate it, whereas Rudy did. This video shows you just how wet the air is, and we weren't even that close to the waterfall at this point.
So this is what we tried to attempt first. Looking at it now makes me feel sick, if I'm honest.
Before we made our way back, Rudy had a short time with his adoring fans. All there is left now is the steep climb back out of the canyon for a well-deserved coconut. But just remember, this was the second time we've done it today.
Did they give you that? That's so kind. Do you want to try it? So you go, look, that is the biggest coconut I have ever seen. For the smallest boy.
Alright, that's it for today's adventure. Thank you so much for joining us on this hike to Tumpak Sewu. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future adventures. I've got plenty more coming your way. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions on where we should explore next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.